morning students, welcome back to Shiva online class. In the previous two classes we have studied integral calculus first and two types we have studied. First one integral x power n type plus equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, and the second type is integral dx by x. That means denominator lo function irukku adunade differentiation numerator la irukum. So dx by x is equal to log of modulus x plus c. This is our second type. Let us continue with the same type, second type. Seventh sum. 3x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by x. It is already factorized. Factorize பண்ணியே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So in this case we use partial fraction. The 11th standard we have studied partial fraction. So how to equate this? First a divided by first bracket x minus 1 and plus இந்த ஸ்கொயர் டேர்ம் இதுக்கப்புறம் நம்மளால ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ஸ்கொயர் டேர்ம் வந்ததுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், மேலே ஒரு லீனியர் டேர்ம் வர மாதிரி bx plus c divided by x square plus 5. Okay, now equating the numerator we get, taking LCM as x minus 1 into x square plus 5. So cross multiplying we get a into x square plus 5 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay, this is our different side. Now equating the numerator, that means cancelling the denominator on both sides, we get 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to a into x square plus 5 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. So linear term இருந்ததுன்னா இதை equating to 0 பண்றோம். x minus equal to 0 we get x is equal to 1. So we put x is equal to 1 on both sides in equation number 1. Listen, put x is equal to 1 on both sides of 1. So we get this is 3 minus 2 into 1 2 plus 5 is equal to a into this is 1 plus 5 and bx plus c into 0. So we leave that factor. We get 5 plus 3 is what? 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 equal to 5 plus 1 6. 6. So a equal to 6 by 6. So we get a value as 1. Okay, this is our a value. Next we put x is equal to இதுக்கப்புறம் நம்மளால போட முடியாது, ஸ்கொயர் டேர்ம் வரும்போது போட முடியாது. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எக்ஸுக்கு நம்ம ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் வேல்யூவாக சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணுறோம். சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணிட்டு b and c ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we put x is equal to 0 or 1. X is equal to 0. Okay, the first equation. First equation is this. Put x is equal to 0, we get this term become 0, this is also become 0, so we get only 5 in left hand side. So 5 is equal to this is a into 0 plus 5 and b into 0. We get 0 plus c into 0 minus 1. So 5 is equal to, instead a we use 1 into 5 plus c into minus 1. So 5 equal to 5 minus c. So take this c, this side plus c and 5 to right hand side, this 5 become minus 5. So we get c is equal to 0. So c value is 0. Next we have to put x is equal to some other value. It's our wish. I am going to take x is equal to 2 in first equation. X is 2 போடுங்க, minus 1 போடலாம், எது வேணாலும் போடலாம். First x is equal to 2 போட்டோம்னா 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 5 is equal to a into 4 plus 5 Okay, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 5 plus 2b plus c into 2 minus 1. So this is 12 minus 4 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 4 as 9 into a value is 1 plus 2b plus c is 0 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 17 minus 4 equal to 9 plus 2b. 17 minus 4 is what? 13. Take this 9 this side, minus 9 which is equal to 2b. Okay, 13 minus 9 equal to 2b. So 13 minus 9 equal to 2b we got. So 4 equal to 2b and b is equal to 4 by 2. So b is 2. So substituting these three values in this equation we get 3x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 x square plus 5 equal to a is 1 by x minus 1 and b is 2, 2x plus 0. C is 0. So we write only 2x x square plus 5. So the given equation I rewrite பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Next integrating on both sides. So integrating 3x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 x square plus 5 into dx is equal to integral 1 by x minus 1 into dx plus integral 2x divided by x square plus 5 into dx. Now integrating on both sides, this is of the form second type dx by ax plus b equal to 1 by a into log of modulus ax plus b plus c. அந்த டைப்ல இருக்கு. இதுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு ஃபார்முலா இல்ல. சோ நம்ம substitution method யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Substitution methodல so first இந்த changes கிடையாது. 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Okay, plus using substitution method here, take the denominator as the new variable t. Take t is equal to x square plus 5. Next differentiating this we get what? dt. t differentiate பண்ணா dt is equal to 2x into dx. 2x into dx. 2x into dx already in the numerator. So we write this as dt divided by t. 2x dx equal to dt. So instead this numerator we put dt divided by the denominator x square plus 5 t. Okay. Now integrating. This is of type this. So we use the integral value. This is what? Log of modulus x minus 1. Listen. This type I said, but 1 by a nana, a is the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1. Another 1 by a log of modulus x minus 1 plus log of, this is of type dx by x. So log of mod t plus c. Okay. Next step, we put the value, we put the assumption of p. t என்ன assume பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அதுதான் நீ போடணும். x square plus 5 plus c. Okay, log of x minus 1 plus log of x square plus 5. In log, we have three laws. First law is product law. Product law is what? Log of a plus log of b equal to log of ab. In product law தான் இருக்கு. plus இருந்ததுன்னா multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, this is our a and this is our b. Is equal to log of modulus x minus 1 into x square plus 5 plus c. Okay, this is equal to log of, multiplying these two we get x cube and plus 5x minus x square minus 5. So x cube, next write x square term and then write x term and then constant term plus c. Understood? This is our answer. Okay. Next let us see type 3. Type 3 is EX form. Integrating EX for e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. e power x என்ன வருதோ e power x வந்தாலே e power x தான் வரும். Next e power x ல சாரி e power ல ax plus b இந்த டைப்ல வந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பா அந்த x உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 1/a வந்து நமக்கு ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வரணும். 1/a into e power ax plus b plus and integral a power x is a is constant. Constant power நம்ம வேரியபிள் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா 1 by that log a into a power x plus c. Similarly a power mx plus c. Usually ax plus b யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இது a இருக்கிறதுனால mx plus n mx plus n into dx equal to 1 by m the coefficient of x and then என்ன ஃபார்முலாவோ அது போட்டுக்கணும் 1 by log a into a power mx plus n plus c. Okay, next type is e power x exponential type. Okay, so first sum is and exercise number 5 integrate the following with respect to x e power x into log a plus e power a into log a minus e power n into log x. Okay, then one more thing, e power log x ன்னு இருந்ததுன்னா நம்ம x ன்னு போடலாம். e and log x cancel. e power log x becomes x only. Okay. Similarly, we use here e power x into log a. Consider the power x into log a and we have three laws in log a. That is first one is product law, log of a plus log of b equal to log of a. இங்க plus வந்ததுன்னா multiply பண்ணுவோம் product law. This is quotient law, minus வந்ததுன்னா divide பண்ணணும். Third one is power law, that is n into log a equal to take this number to the power of a, that is log a power n. அதுதான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். இங்க log இருக்கு இல்லையா, so e power log of a power x and plus e power log of a power a minus e power log of x to the power n. Okay, this is power law. Use பண்ணிருக்கோம். Next we use this form e power log of something is equal to that value which is equal to e log x cancel with a power x. First term is a power x, the second term is a power a and the last one is x power n. Now only we have to integrate. Okay, so integral of the given function is log a e power a log a minus e power n log x. This is our given function. Into x with respect to x means we put dx which is equal to integral. Instead of this we found that term this. So we write a power x plus a power a minus x power n into dx. So இதுக்கு equal to என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சோமோ அதை போட்டுருவோம். Next இது ஒவ்வொரு தனித்தனியா இன்டகிரேட் பண்ண போறோம். is equal to integral a power x into dx plus integral a power a into dx minus integral x power n into dx is equal to a power x. A power x formula is 1 by log a into a power x. We use that 1 by log a into a power x. Okay. Plus a power a is constant. That means it's like k. K மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கணும். Integral k into dx equal to k into x plus c. So this is our constant. This into x minus x power n. So first formula x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. This is our answer. Let us see sixth sum. 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x. Now integrating this 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x into dx. இது ஒரு டைரக்டா இன்டகிரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. இந்த கேஸ்ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், e power x இல்லையா, வேற ஃபங்க்ஷனா கொடுத்துக்கும்போது இதனுடைய டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் நீங்க எதுக்காக செக் பண்ணணும். So we assume the new variable as e power ல என்ன இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே new variable assume பண்றோம். t is equal to x plus 1 by x. Now differentiating this, we get differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now studied in 11th standard. So the differentiation formula எல்லாமே நீங்க recall பண்ணனும். 1 minus 1 by x square. So it is that. This is the given question. 1 minus 1 by x square இருக்கு. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், இதுக்கு பதிலா dt instead of this we use dt. Similarly, instead of x plus 1 by x we use t. So substituting we get. So in the first step, then the set கொண்டு போயிடுங்க 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. Now we use the values e power t into this is equal to what, dt. So this is of the form, third type the first form, e power x into dx equal to e power x is equal to e power t plus c. Okay, next our answer should be in x because our question is in x, so our answer should be in x. The last what we have assumed for t, we use that value is equal to x plus 1 by x, so e power x plus 1 by x plus c. Okay, the last answer வந்து x தான் இருக்கும். Okay, e power x plus 1 by x plus c understood. Next let us see seventh sum. Seventh sum is 1 by x into log of x the whole square. The previous sum, sixth sum la பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, e power x plus 1 by x அதனுடைய டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணோம். Similarly, இப்போ log x இருக்கு, log x உடைய டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் 1 by x நமக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை நம்ம நியூ வேரியபிளாக எடுத்துக்கிறோம். சேம் சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மெத்தட் தான் இங்கேயும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ we take t, the new variable, equal to log x. And we know the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, we rewrite this as 1 by log x the whole square into 1 by x into dx. This is our dt. Okay, we use this, we get 1 by log x the whole square. So log x equal to t means log x whole square becomes t square. And 1 by x into dx equal to dt. So we put dt here, and which is equal to, take this t square to the numerator, we get t power minus 2. Okay, it is equal to, because this is of course type first form, x power n by n. So we use x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that is t power minus 2 plus 1, n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 here also, c is equal to t power minus 1 by minus 1. And power minus 1 இருக்கிறதால denominator கொண்டு வரோம். We have to make this power as positive. அதனால கீழே கொண்டு வரோம். Plus c is equal to minus 1 by, instead of t is what, log x. Okay, t equal to நம்ம log x போடுறோம். Log x plus c. So our answer is minus 1 divided by log x plus c. Okay, understood this? And thank you students, do the homework and send by 5 p.m. Okay.